Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for stopping by, I appreciate it. I did have to leave work extremely fast, so I only recorded an 11-second clip, but I can explain it. So we were working on installing transfer switches. And the transfer switches are the big gray boxes with the handles on them. You'll see here in a second once I show you the clip. But I worked on cutting the pipes for the bottom, the EMT pipes, mounting the strut behind them, still have to strap them down. Worked on punching out the transfer switch with my coworkers, and then they lifted it up and I basically got the pipes adjusted into the holes. So that took maybe, I don't know, half the day maybe. But I also worked on the 2 wire pulls upstairs. I didn't get any footage of that. And then also we pulled wire into the transfer switch in the middle, the smaller one. So there's wire inside of there, and then we also pulled in a rope in the other pipe because we were gonna pull more wire, but the day ran out. So we, in the 2 2-inchers in the middle transfer switch, there's gonna be a wire pulled in there. We got half of it done, and we got the big transfer switch mounted to the right of that. And then, yeah, I think that's pretty much it. So we did 3 wire pulls, mounted the transfer switch, and I think that about wraps up the day. So that's what I worked on today. Sorry I have to record all these tiny little clips. I keep getting interrupted. But I'll show you the clip, and hopefully it all makes sense once you see it. And thanks for watching. I appreciate it. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Don't forget to like if you enjoyed the video and subscribe. I'll have a longer video tomorrow. Granted, I go to work because my back hurts really bad. But anyways, thanks so much for watching, and I'll slow the clip down so it's not just really fast in 11 seconds. And that should do it. Check the description for anything else, and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when I upload videos or do live streams. Thanks guys so much. God bless. See you tomorrow. Peace out.